Hello and welcome to yet another newsletter here from Nordic Anglers. My name is Daniel and today I'm going to show you some really exciting, cool stuff that is on sale right now here at Nordic Anglers. The first thing I want to show you are these. These are the Scientific Anglers UST Short two-handed shooting heads. These are really awesome. They're made from with the best coating that Scientific Anglers offer, the ST coating, and we have a lot of these in stock, and they are below half price now. So these are heads that are around 9 meters long, which makes them ideal for both the Danish but all the Norwegian and Scandinavian salmon fishing as well. These are complete heads, meaning that you do not need to apply a tip to these. These are basically done with their tapering, so they cast really well in their own right. But you can, of course, if you like, add another tip. We have a lot of these in a lot of different weights. Varying from float sink 2 all the way to sink 3, sink 7, I think. So a lot of different classes, a lot of different lines here, and I'm very certain that you can find a head or two in there that would suit your fishing very well. As I said, they're marked down to below half price, so it's a really bargain to get a good set of two-handed lines for all your salmon fishing at a bargain just now. The other thing is I've just bought every single one of the demo rods from the Sage distributor of the igniter switch and spay rods. That means that we have marked down the igniter, and you can buy these as demo rods at a really steep discount, more than 40% off the Sage igniter. These are selling out very fast, so if you're in the market for one of these, you should swing by and see if you can get exactly the one that you're looking for. They, of course, will be delivered with full warranty and stuff, but they will have signs of usage. They've been used for demos on grass and stuff. So the cork handle will have some coloring and stuff. But as I said, they're completely as good as a new rod. They have just been used for demonstrations. If you're in market for a very sharp price on some of the best-selling two-handed rods out there, then swing by Nordic Anglers to get a Sage igniter, as long as stock lasts. Also, we have marked down these Keough soft patch, which are basically some awesome feathers for really big salmon flies. Some of the biggest feathers I've seen are on these. They also contain smaller feathers, of course, as you move up towards the end of this. But they also have some really nice mini marabou in the top here, and these are marked down to below 20 euros. So almost half price. Really cool product. Again, this is a product that we simply cannot get any more of, so they are going to be discontinued. So again, this is as long as stock lasts. For all of you out there who are planning on going salmon fishing this summer, we stock a lot of really awesome and really unique patterns that we have designed as ready-made flies. These will work really well for all of Scandinavia, but in Iceland as well in particular. So you can buy some pretty awesome, pretty cool salmon flies tied by Danish fly tyers. The highest of quality for all your salmon fishing for all of Scandinavia. This is in particular the Court Gesture, one of the flies that I have made myself personally that catches. I've designed the pattern. The flies in the shop is not tied by me, but they're tied by some of my friends, and they fish exceedingly well. Oh, and the last thing, or second to last thing, is the Cortland compact line. This is a great line that has the top of the line coating from Cortland. Basically, Cortland has just decided to let the compact, intermediate, float, and sinking lines be discontinued. So we have some in stock, and we have marked these down quite a lot as well. So if you're in the market for a short-bellied, nice taper, the Cortland compact is a really nice bet for that, and the discount on these are very steep as well. So Cortland compact lines in sink, intermediate, and float are available at a big discount here at Nordic Anglers. Also, we're going to move location. We're going to move the shop to a completely new location due to a lot of different very important factors. We see it as a part of the development and the next level of the business. So we will have the potential to expand and move forward. But this has meant that we have taken a big look at all the stock and all the inventory. And this means that for the past month, we've held a big clearing sale because we're going to move location, and a lot of fly-tying product has been marked very, very substantially down. This sale will end on the 1st of May because basically then we have cleared what we wanted to, and we're basically just gonna move the rest of it. So if you haven't checked out all the big selection of really, really awesome stuff that has been marked down, then you should do that now because on the 1st of May, all of these will go back to their regular price. Well, basically that was, I think, a lot of different stuff, some pretty awesome bargains designed exactly for you, some for coastal fishing, some for salmon fishing. Here in Denmark, everything is kicking off. The salmon fishing is awesome. The coastal fishing is great as well. We have the garfish entering very soon, and so is the dry fly fishing is kicking off as well. So all of this right here, and anything else you could ever possibly need fly fishing related, you can of course, as always, get that here at Nordic Anglers. Thank you so much for watching, and the best of luck to you out on the water.